Texas afternoon, and I'm in one of my favorite cars of all time, the Mustang GT350R with our HPE 850 package installed. Now we're on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track. Let's see what happens. It just revs and revs and revs all the way to 8,000. Oh, that popping is ridiculous. It's so insane. We also have an episode of Top Gear where they took one of our GT350Rs with the 850 package.
That sounds fantastic.
They beat that thing up pretty good, and it was fully reliable the whole time.
God, it's like King Kong.
Right now is the best time to buy a 350. Reason being is I think you could get a really good deal on a lightly used GT350, bring it to us, we modify it, install our HPE 850 package, and then you have more horsepower than a GT500. Definitely give us a call because you don't want to miss out on that. Alright guys, you've seen the car, you've heard the exhaust, you've heard me talk about it. The only thing left to do is to subscribe to our channel, give us a comment, give us a like, and we'll see you guys next time.